Hello everyone, I'm Manoj, VP of Developer Relations at LambdaTest. 2 years ago, we launched TestMu, our online flagship event, to bring together testers like you. Your incredible support has kept us going, and now we are back with the third edition of TestMu. In 2023, we had over 25,000 testers, developers, product managers, QA, QE professionals joining us from different parts of the world. Now we are back with the third edition taking place from August 21st to 23rd. With lots of interesting talks with different topics and themes ranging from AI to machine learning to accessibility, unit testing, you name a theme, we will get you covered. Consider this as a golden opportunity to network with the like-minded professionals and some of the brightest and the best minds in the testing industry. We hope to see you there. Register now and be part of our community.